Hello everyone, my name is Theodore, but my friends call me Theo. I'm here today with my friend Penny. Are you there, Penny?
Yes, Theo, I'm here, and I'm ready to report.
Our owners work for NEDA, which is the Neighborhood Development Alliance. They provide financial and housing counseling to lots of people here in the Twin Cities. And today's lesson is about credit. Are you ready, Penny?
Let's do this, Theo. There are lots of myths and misinformation about credit in the U.S., so at NEDA, we really try to keep it simple.
To start, checking your credit report for personal reasons does not affect your score. The only site to access that free report is annualcreditreport.com, so forget the other jingles you might have heard. The range of score is 300 to 850, with anywhere in the high 600s to low 700s being a good score. The best way to improve your credit score is to pay on time on credit cards, car loans, student loans, and any other personal loans.
The next best way to improve your score is to make sure you keep your credit and balances low, ideally less than 25% of the total credit limit.
Keep it simple. Pay on time and pay more than the minimum payment. Lastly, avoid closing out your old credit cards you no longer use. When you do so, you decrease the average age of your accounts, which is a factor in your credit score. Keep it open and make a small purchase a couple times a year.
Yes, make small purchases, like a bag of bacon treats. My favorite, bacon.
Yes, like some bacon treats for you and some carrots for me. And then pay it off when you get your bill.
Theo, what if someone has bad credit and needs help fixing it?
NEDA counselors are available to help. They help people fix or build credit to buy homes all the time. Their services are a phone call away from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Monday through Friday, and it's free.
The end. Now we deserve some treats.
Oh, you're speaking my language, dog. Bye, everyone.
Thanks for watching.